Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and they'll ship this to you in no time. Also, take a look at the other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And hopefully, everybody had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Today we have here, oh baby, heating eye mask, graphene times, heating pad for infrared therapy, 3 levels temperature. Ooh. Right there. Oh, I tried. Alright, what we got here? Got some USBs. Oh yeah. We got the USB. And here we go. Let's take a look at this. Ooh. Oops. There we go. Adjustable. Feels nice. Nice for your eyeballs. Make sure you put it like this side. You don't want to get that in your eye. That's where you put the USB plug. Show you how to do that in 1 second. Oh, twisty ties. Oh boy, here we go. I'll definitely check them out. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below. All I gotta do is click it. And if you like this item, add it to your cart. Check out. That's one of those type. Alright, plug it in here. Whoa, it's magnetic. Watch. Bam. That's perfect. Okay, so we gotta put it on a face. We got some controls right there. The heating temp. Alright, let's see how this looks. Jeez, oh, pizza. Okay. I haven't shaved yet, so don't mind me. Okay. It's like a blindfold mask. There we go. Right there. Lights around the eyes. Get rid of those baggy eyes and warm up your, especially in this area because of like sinuses and everything. Mine are crazy right now because of the weather change and it's so cold outside. But this one nice. Take a break and just put these on. And you can use those power battery things. Hold on. Alright guys, I found my USB spot right here. I'm gonna plug her in and start the process. If I could reach to it, it's gonna be hard to do. Hold on, you can stare at the cameras for a second. Just plug it in. Okay, she is plugged in. I'm gonna flip you guys around. Oh. Can't tell if you guys can see me. There we go. Start it up. Dude. Whoa. The heat is on. Light is on. So we go like this. Whoa. Hey now. Okay, this works really good. But, and it's covering up your eyes like this. Press this button right here. And you guys will be good to go. So check these guys out. I'll leave the links down below where you get one of these at a low cost. Graphene Times. Really nice eye warming heat mask. And YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night. See you.